Most recipes cut spring roll wrappers into small pieces. I use them for firecracker shrimp rolls. Today, we'll use wonton wrappers, and we don't have to cut them at all. So it saves us time. This is my delicious, crispy, quick and easy firecracker shrimp rolls. To make the sweet and sour sauce in a pot over medium heat, mix in the water, rice vinegar, ketchup, sugar, sambal oelek, and garlic. Pour in the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until it is thickened. You could also check out my Chinese chili garlic sauce recipe. It's super delicious. I have fully deveined, but check out the intestine that runs along the top of the shrimp, but you may still see a black line at the bottom of the shrimp. It's the circulatory and nervous systems and does not contain any digestive discharge, so it's rarely removed by anyone. To prepare the shrimp, dry it to remove any moisture. Make small cuts along the bottom of the shrimp to straighten its natural curve. Season with salt and pepper. In a bowl, crack in the egg and whisk. This will be our wrapping glue. Here I have some wonton wrappers. They are the perfect size for large shrimp. If you use spring roll wrappers, you could cut them into 4 small squares. Lay a wonton wrapper flat. Fold the left corner to the center. Place a piece of shrimp in the center. Tightly fold the bottom corner up, followed by the right. Roll it up. Brush the egg on top. Roll it up all the way. And repeat with the rest. To fry the firecracker shrimp rolls, in a pot over high heat, place in the avocado oil. You can also use other high smoking point oil and heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. Transfer in the firecracker shrimp rolls a few at a time. Fry until golden brown for about 3 minutes and turn them frequently so that they brown evenly. Drain on a paper towel-lined plate. If you like to freeze the remaining firecracker shrimp rolls and cook them in the future, place them in a single layer and cover them up with a plastic wrap. When you're ready to cook, just fry them directly. No defrosting is necessary. This firecracker shrimp roll is shockingly delicious, crunchy, crispy, and it pairs perfectly with my sweet and sour chili sauce. I hope you enjoy. So please subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video. I'll see you again in the next episode.